Do you have the blueprint for your life? You may be planning on going to college already. Maybe you have a job now, or perhaps you have a job lined up after high school. You might be returning from the military, or you might be looking to change your career. Whatever your blueprint may be, know that it can change. More education and more training equals more opportunities. Give yourself those opportunities by putting college into your life plan. There are funding options available and class scheduling is flexible, so it can fit your life. Blue Mountain Community College is here, ready to help you redraw your life's blueprint.
My name's Theodore R. Thorne. I studied the Associate of Arts Oregon transfer with an emphasis on business. The community college is a great place to get started on deciding what you want to do after the military or during the military. You can use your veterans benefits as a great stepping stone to get yourself a career for life after the military.
You can improve your English, earn a GED, and expand current skills to begin redrawing your life's blueprint. Blue Mountain Community College has effective and comprehensive college preparatory programs.
I think the perception is that many students feel that if they weren't successful at the high school level, that they're not going to be successful in college. And we have a lot of avenues for students to come in and to take courses that prepare them for college. And the doors are open. As a community college, we're here to encourage those students to become successful at the next level.
There are programs that offer one-year certificates, two-year degrees, and transfer options, which make it easy for students to plan and expand their opportunities. Blue Mountain Community College also offers professional technical degree programs with specialized training in education, where you have the opportunity to help, teach, and shape future generations. Business technologies. In every position, in every career, we use business principles. These skills will help you work with others in a professional manner that will make you an integral part of any business. Civil engineering. Learn concrete and structural design methods, develop computer-aided drafting skills, and develop state-of-the-art surveying skills. Diesel technology. Learn hands-on how the backbone of modern transportation works, how to make in-field and in-shop repairs using the latest technology. Agriculture. Grow your knowledge and experience in the broad field of agriculture with hands-on experience in crops, livestock, production, and farm business management. Allied health. Learn procedures and techniques that will prepare you for the medical community where you help people receive the care they need. Academics are an important part of your blueprint, but having fun and making new relationships are part of your educational experience too. From team sports, theater, and student government to clubs and on-campus events, you'll discover a place for yourself and build lasting relationships.
I really encourage my friends to go to college because it's a great way to get educated and help your family better financially. And it's a great experience because you think about not doing it or not making it through, but once you're in there, it's very easy.
There are more financial aid opportunities now than ever before. Start with the free application for federal student aid at fafsa.ed.gov. Take charge of your life's blueprint and give yourself opportunities. Contact Blue Mountain Community College today.